How's it going? Well, I recently had bought this Vette. It's a 2000. It's got the automatic in it. It's got the 345 horsepower LS1, sorry. And we've been doing some major work on it. Give you a little preview here. Here's what the interior looks like. Bought this from Corvette warehouse in Dallas. And then I've got a 7-inch Boss Elite stereo in there. But we'll be doing some projects on it. I've already had a lot done, but I didn't actually do it myself. So anyway, that's what's going on with it right now. I'll be posting more stuff here pretty soon.